She lives in a big flat. She lives in a big flat.
She likes watering the flowers. She likes watering the flowers.
Tony likes going for a walk. Tony likes going for a walk. What is she like? What is she like? She is helpful. She is helpful.
What do you do at the weekend? What do you do at the weekend?
I usually surf the internet. I usually surf the internet.
What do you like doing in your free time? What do you like doing in your free time? I like watching films. I like watching films.
What is she doing? What is she doing?
She is doing judo. She is doing judo.